Hello, my name is Sander. I am 19 years old and I live in Durango. I have chosen this degree because I like all that is related with sound and images. After finishing my studies, I would like to work on the radio, to the radio. I think that speaking correctly is necessary for this, and I think that for being a good communicator, you have to work very hard. But for me, the most important thing to communicator is to feel comfortable whenever I am giving a speech or I am speaking for all the class. For all the class. But this is for me the most important to good a communicator.